The 2026 Mini John Cooper Works iconic 1965 Victory Edition. Inspired by Mini's historic victory at the 1965 Monte Carlo Rally, this special edition honors a moment that redefined what a small car could achieve. Exclusive design details set it apart. Distinctive badging, bold accents, and performance-inspired styling that pay tribute to its racing roots. Under the hood, the John Cooper Works performance DNA comes alive, with turbocharged power, razor-sharp handling, and that unmistakable go-kart feel that defines Mini. Inside, it's all about the driver. Premium materials, sports seating, and advanced digital displays create a cockpit that's as refined as it is exhilarating. From cutting-edge connectivity to driver assist features, this Mini blends heritage performance with modern innovation, so every drive feels connected, confident, and completely in control. Experience it for yourself at Patrick Mini in Schaumburg, Illinois.